talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. There's a destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be strong there. But I was a fool, playing by the rules. The gods may throw a dice, their mind as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all, the loser has to fall. It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? Tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide. The likes of me abide. Spectators of the show, we're staying low. The game is on again. A lover or a friend, a big thing or a smile, the winner takes it all. I don't want to talk if it makes you feel sad, and I understand you've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. The winner takes it all. 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 The winner takes it all.
Well done, Katie, well done. Louise, what do you think?
Katie, first off, you look lovely. You always look lovely every week. You really do. I know last week Kelly gave you the feedback of, working on your riffs, and you are capable of doing some lovely riffs. I just think a lot of the riffs you did in that song, I just think it was the wrong song to put them into. If that's what you were going to work on this week, I think it should have been a different song. I think it was the wrong song choice anyway for you. You're far better than that song, and you're far better than that performance. The riffs were kind of, they didn't fit. They were almost like they were incomplete. That's the only way I can really describe it, is like incomplete. But the falsetto was beautiful at the end. You know, that's definitely a strength of yours. We've said that in past weeks. I know Joey said it, I think maybe last week. But a falsetto is definitely one of your strengths. So concentrate on that as well in future weeks. And the ending, it got better as it went on. So the ending was lovely. It was just, the rest of the song was just a bit, it was just a bit too easy for you, really, I think. You can do a lot better than that. It was by no means a bad performance, it wasn't, but I think it was you did take a step backwards. So I really want you to push yourself next week, really challenge yourself and pull something amazing out of the bag. Chuck the riffs in, chuck the falsetto in, chuck your lovely belt in, more control. Just work hard and show us what you can do next week. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree. It wasn't a great song choice. That song's very like one level. It doesn't really go anywhere. It doesn't build. It can be a little bit boring as well, if I'm being honest. But I know Joe said that you haven't been very well, and this was a very last minute thing. And I think that's a shame, because of how slow the verses are. If you were going to add riffs in, there would have been a lot of opportunity in the verses with how slow the actual song is. And so it's a shame that you didn't really have more time to sort of work on it and really sort of showcase what you can do in that aspect. I thought your falsetto at the end was absolutely beautiful. My only gripe was there wasn't enough of it. I wanted to hear a little bit more of that falsetto, because I think that's one of your strengths. But if you ever need any help with sort of adding riffs or changing things up a little bit, just because you're not in my category doesn't mean that you can't inbox me at any time. I'm just on the other end of the phone. I'm more than happy to help you, you know, whenever you need help, if you need help. But next week I'd like to see you just come out with something a little bit more along the lines of what you did with your audition song, because that was very much suited to you. It was very current. It showed off a lot that you can do. So I'd like to see you sort of like stay on that, you know, on that path and explore, you know, things in that direction.
Yeah, Katie, it's quite a awkward one, really, because like with you've got quite mixed comments so far, and like I said, when you had this choice and it showed, I did say that, you know, it's probably suited to next week more because it's before the 80s, and in reality, you know, I would rather do Stay on the Lane, like Kelly picked up, like your audition. That was your stand-up one, and then the shallow one was like, no, this is just too safe. And it wasn't overall a great choice, but we worked with what we could work with. Now, when you showed it to me, it was very plain, very straight, and it was my place to say, you know, change it up a bit. So that's the reason you took the risk to do the little bits of trying to do runs and that, was because I said, you know, we need something different in it. Now, you did have them in the verses, and I told you to take them out because it was just too much all the way through and just keeping them in certain places. So I suppose it's partly my fault because, you know, it was either too much going on or not enough. So we tried to balance it. But if I'm being honest, they weren't as perfected as I heard them. They weren't as perfected as I heard them previous yesterday. But like I said, I know you're still not 100% well. I think what you need to do from you, because like the best part of that realistically was probably the falsetto. That was the best bit. And we put that in obviously last minute just to give the song something different, because it's just an old song and it's just, for me, basic, you know, so we had to make what we could of it. But presentation, awesome, on point. I love what you've done with the visual and that. But the advice, I think, I don't know if the girls agree with this, but the advice I would give you from you is that you need to be a bit more current with your sound, because you're capable of that, and that's what we've seen in the audition. So I lost that a bit in this, but we made what we could of it. So it's time to really push yourself now with this and think, right, yeah, let me do some songs that I like to do and what songs I listen to at home and stuff, because I know this is not the sort of stuff you listen to. So I don't know where this choice came from, but it is what it is. So just keep doing what you're doing, but you need to bring it. All right, and don't forget to always add a little bit of Katie into it.